Hey guys, okay, so today we're gonna get down to some real talk. We're gonna talk about those two things that nobody wants to talk about, much less have. And unfortunately, they can be kind of common with the keto diet, especially in the early beginning stages when the body's trying to make its transition. And I know I encountered these two things and I went online looking for answers, and I didn't find a lot of information about it. And the people that I did look at their videos, it was almost like they were afraid to say the words. So just kind of a little caution thing here. We're going to be doing some real talk about real bodily functions that happen while the body's moving into ketosis. So I am not a medical professional. If you feel like something is really out of control and you need to see a physician, please do that. I'm just going to show you what I did to alleviate these two things. So these two things are diarrhea and constipation. Now, nobody likes to talk about that, right? And if you have it and you've clicked on this video, chances are you're looking for a solution. So I'm gonna show you what I did to move my way through both of those, because I did experience both of those while trying to kind of tweak out my macros and figure out what worked for my body the best. So first of all, I did experience diarrhea. To the point I was afraid to leave the house. Now I know that's TMI, too much information, but here's what I did about it. I just watched my macros between my protein and my fats, and I just scaled back my saturated fats and added in a little bit of protein. And I stayed away from a lot of the artificial sweeteners that were in like some of the sugar-free products. And I stuck with Swerve, which is a great product, has like zero insulin spike to it. And that worked best for me. That got rid of that problem for me. So again, for diarrhea, I added in a little more protein, cut back a little bit on my fats, and stayed away from artificial sweeteners other than Swerve. And for me, that corrected that problem. Now, in keto community and with my friends, a lot of people have complained to me about the opposite problem, constipation, and what can they do about that, because that can be very uncomfortable as well. And you do want to get that taken care of. You don't want to stay in that state for very long. Let's be real. Nobody wants to do that. So I'm going to give you a couple of solutions for that. For that, you do kind of the opposite. Scale back on your proteins. You can add in a little more fats or your saturated fats, and that's going to help kind of loosen things up a little bit. A couple of things that you can do also is use magnesium. This is one of my favorites right here. I'm putting that up where you can see that. It has a high absorption rate. Magnesium helps the body kind of flow and work a little bit better. So that's going to help you if you're experiencing the constipation. The other thing that I love is Lily of the Desert, this aloe vera gel inner fillet. This is one of my favorite products. I put it on my skin. You can take it internally. I get the cold pressed. It's 99% organic aloe vera juice. So this is an extremely helpful product. I'm putting it up close there where you can see it. You can order this online if you can't find it anywhere close to you. I happen to have a store that carries this, so it's very convenient. It's not expensive, and about 2 tablespoons of that in the morning and at night is going to help relieve that constipation for you. The whole point of the keto lifestyle is to feel great, have the energy, be able to get out and about and live your best life. And you don't want to be stuck at home with either one of these digestive issues. You want to be able to get out there and enjoy all that energy that you have. So don't let those things stop you. One more tool I'm going to show you is I have an app on my phone that's called Carb Manager. And you can go download this. And I'm gonna stick this up where you can see it, but it makes a neat little, you put in what you've had to eat throughout the day, and it puts in there a little pie graph. And that's how I knew how to move my protein and fats around. I could see what I had been eating in previous days, and I could see how I could kind of move that around a little bit and get the desired result of not having either one of these digestive issues interrupt my daily life. So that was a very helpful tool too. So, you know, feel free to check that out. You can put in what you're eating throughout the day. It's going to show you and count your macros for you and do all of that stuff that I kind of found confusing, honestly, in the beginning. So that's a great tool as well. So get you some aloe vera and get you some magnesium, and that's going to really, really help you through. And that's my 2 recommendations and solutions. And then download that app. It's just going to make things easier for you. And that's what it's all about. We just want to teach you how to live your best life ever and get out there and have a great time and enjoy your life. And so go do that. And if you like what we're doing here and you like the information, please hit the like button, drop us a comment, let us know what you're doing, what products you like, what's working for you. Hit the subscribe button and do turn on those little bell notifications so that you can see what we're doing next. We're going to have some good recipes. We're taking you on vacation with us so we can see how I do if I stay faithful to my keto lifestyle with all the temptation on vacation. We'll be doing that here in a couple of weeks. So turn on those bell notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. And get out there and get to living. It's a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.